My sister, she have boyfriend. I go home, I fry chicken. I go take shower, I come out, the man eat my chicken, my wife. Okay? I break his legs.
Rampus, I can't believe my eyes. Are you really that, Rampus? I thought you was dead. But I started hearing rumor that you was alive and you was going to join me in the cell.
No, I'm not gonna buy the name Rampus again. I'm a new man. I turned my life over. I'm a changed man. Instead of making trouble, I decided to make a difference. So I'm not going by the name Rampus. Melvin. Use my name, Melvin. And you're not going to use Slipper Finger no more. Use your name, Andrew. Let us make a difference. Have a wake-up call.
Rampus, no, Melvin. You know happy me his to see you, man. You don't know me happy to see you. I want your ear though, your ear cut so low.
Andrew, you tell us I'm a changed man. My life is different now. A lot have happened since the last work when me and you go on. Stuff with me even ashamed to talk about. But me not really make it get me down still. It give me a new direction in life, you know?
I tell you the truth, Melvin. Me think you did dead. Because when me see you trip and fall and the dog then come down by you and start bite you up all over and me see the blood. Me get so hungry. Me no know where me find the strength from, but me kill the two Rottweiler dog. And by the time me kill them, I have to assist you. A police that me see come. And they handcuff me. And they rush you to the hospital. So me never did know what to expect. But seeing you here right in front of me, I tell you, it's a big relief.
Andrew, we lucky say we not serve such a long time. The lucky say I not 12 years I serve again, then cut it in half. So the time we are going to stay in here, let us use it and reflect upon our life. You, I know you as a good cook. You go to school for it. You have your papers them for it. But because of fast life, you give up on such a good career. When you come out, do that for survive. Leave the fast life alone. No bother with the thieving thing no more. You hear me?
So what about you? What you going to do for yourself when you come out? Because all of my life, I just one thing to know you do. I take people things. I never see you have no trade. I never see you do nothing else. So what you going to do to help yourself? You remind me of what I can do to help myself. But what are you going to do to help yourself when you come out?
Why, I tell you the truth. After me serve me time, I'm not even sure if I have to come out. When I have nothing, I go back out there to really. As you say, you know me have no skill. I'm not skillful like that. I may decide to have a thief again. And even if me go out there and for some reason me find a way to get a job and so forth. If I meet a woman and she love me, me cannot love her back the way she want to love her back. So, I'm not even sure if me I go come out, maybe me just continue staying here and find something useful to do still.
Oh, fuck, man. I don't like it, man. I don't do nothing. Motherfucker. Oh, shit. Hey, man. Why you look at me? You speak Creole? You speak Creole?
Calm yourself down, man. Calm down. No, I don't speak Creole. I speak Patois. By the way, what got you so hungry, man? You look like something really upset you.
My sister, she have boyfriend. I go home, I fry chicken. I go take shower, I come out, the man eat my chicken, my wife. Okay? I break his legs. Hey, motherfucker call police. Damn it!
So you want to really tell me, say, you break your sister's husband's leg because him eat the fried chicken and the rice. You really have an anger problem, man.
Oh, shut up. You don't understand nothing. My life is finished, man. It's over for my life. What happened? You come here.
Well, I used to be a notorious thief. Thief anything my eye catch. Dog, puss, rat, fowl, clothes, anything my eye catch, I used to thief. I used to get away with it too because I was skillful is lying my way out of it to the cops. So each time they hold me, they have to let me go because I always have a good story to tell them. You understand? I heard you crying a while ago, you know, say it's finished and your life is over. It's the same thing I said to myself a couple years ago when I almost lost my life stealing people dog. You know, that changed my life forever because I've lost something special. I've lost something priceless. I not even can make love to a woman, even if I come out of jail. So I decided to let this prison be my permanent home where I can try to motivate someone, you know, not to give up, showing that they are better out there.
Man, what happened to you? I confused. I don't understand. You say you cannot make love with a woman. So what happened? Your dick is finished?
If you put it like that, yes. That's a special thing I lost. That's why I cannot make love to a woman. So my life is actually finished. You still have your life. You have your dick. And you soon get out. So it's my life that is finished. So you're being a little bit too hard on yourself. You need to get some anger management counseling. You're a little bit too angry. And if you don't mind sharp, your life will finish for real. Not only your dick, but all of your life.
Hey, is that me? You serious, man? Oh, you gonna make me cry, man. I'm gonna cry.
It's all good, man. I have made peace with my situation and my circumstances and decided to move on with my life. You're not the first one who come inside here lately with similar problems. What I can encourage you to do when you get out, try to make a difference. Just deal with that anger thing. Don't let it get the best of you. Alright, little fried chicken and little rice. Shouldn't put nobody behind bars. Alright?
Colin, I have to say something to you because it's in my heart to say something. I want to say I am sorry for break your legs. Let me explain what happened. I was hungry, Colin. I cooked chicken for me. And you eat my chicken and you eat my rice. Okay? Don't do that. And we be friends.
Okay, I understand.
How may I help you, officer?
Wait, slippery finger, you that man? Proud of you, man. You come out of prison, you get a little job, I do something to help yourself. More than out there do nothing bad. Keep it up, man, and things will get better for you from here, so.
Thanks, officer. Respect for the kind words, them, man.
better me say, and a better me I go do. I promise Rampo say me I go do better. And he promise me him will do better. So both of us are keep each other promise. Good man, good. Love how that song.